Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we will learn what is loop in Excel VBA and how to use it. Before that we need to know why we will use loops in Excel VBA. The purpose is when you need to repeat our code again and again, then we used loop in Excel VBA. So let's go to the computer screen for detail. We are in the computer screen now. Here the VBA editor and Excel is side by side and I have inserted one sub here. Okay, now we will write our first code for loop. Before that, we need a variable basically. Actually, there are many types of loops in Excel VBA. We will discuss about them in later videos. Okay, but here we will learn a basic concept of loops in Excel VBA. Okay, so first of all, we need to take a variable for the loop. So dim I as integer. Okay, so we have taken one variable named I, data type as integer. So here before starting loop, suppose we need some text here some numbers here like 1, 2, 3 and 4 here in B column. Okay. We need to write it through VBA codes. Then what we will do basically? We will do the thing like this. Let me show you, like range B1 dot value equals to 1 and we will copy this code and we will paste it below like this. And we will change the color like B1 to B2, B3 and B4 and here will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is called basically hard code. We are making hard code for it. So here we have taken an example for 4 numbers. If we need to enter like 100, 200, 1000 numbers, then what we will do? Then we will use the loop. Okay. So if I run this code, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 here will be automatically. Okay. But we do not use this method. We will use here loop. So for running this loop, we will use here for loop, one kind of loop of Excel VBA. Okay. We will be discussing about more loops in Excel VBA in later videos. So here I will type for I equals to 1, 2, 4 to fulfill this purpose. Okay. And here will be the next I. This is basically a syntax of for loop. Okay. So here will be like range and we will concatenate to bring a cell number. So here we need a cell reference of column B. We will type here B and we will place here ampersand sign to concatenate text and number like B, and what is the number is I. So I is a variable here who is producing a number. Okay, so I will place here B and I here. Okay, so it will bring a cell number like B1, next B2, next B3 and so on. Okay, dot value equals to I. Okay, so if I run this code, before running we will bring the local window to watch what is happening inside the code basically. Okay, so we will go to the view window and click on the local window. Okay, so once I click on debug, you can see one variable exists here like I, which is value of 0. So if I go to the next again, you can see I becomes 1 now because it's starting with 1. Okay. So if I press again, you can see this is B. That in range we have typed B and I. So now I is 1. Okay. So cell number is B1. So what will be the value of B1 value? B1 cell, that is 1. If I pass this code, step into this code, you can see 1 inserted here automatically. Okay. If I press again, you can see I has been increased by 1 and it's become 2 now. Okay. So next it will be 2, next it will be 3 and next 4. Okay. So instead of 4, if I type here like 100, it will bring 100. Like I am going to run it, you can see from 1 to 100, the number has been exist automatically. Okay. So I will delete it now. So let's try with another example to understand this concept better way. Okay. So we will use here color index. If you do not watch the color index video till now, you will get the link in the description box. Please watch it. Okay. So we will delete this code first. So we will type here for I equals to 1 to 56 because color index range is 0 to 56. But we will not use 0 here. We will start from 1. Okay. So let's try. We will type here next I. Now what I will do? we will put some color index according to the I value of I in the column A. So, for this we will type a range and A and I. So, it will bring the cell number A and I. Okay. Dot interior dot color index equals to what? I. So, let us run it with debug mode. If I press here, you can see I is 1 now and A1 cell automatically detected with this code and color index is 1. So, this is the color index of 1, next is color index 2, next is 3, 4 and so on. Okay. It is getting increased automatically. Okay. So, we cannot put these things like manually through our Excel VBA code without loop. So, this is the power of loop you can see. Okay. So, if I run it once, you can see all the color had been executed as per the color index. Okay. So, here in this video we have learned how to use loop in Excel VBA to simplify our work. From next videos we will start learning the variations of loops. So, that's all for this video. We will meet in a new video. Till then keep learning and practicing.